Okay, here are three fun and useful phrases with cat you can use in daily conversation. The first one is curiosity killed the cat. It's used to warn someone not to be too nosy or ask too many questions. For example, I couldn't go through her phone if I were you. Curiosity killed the cat. Next, we have let the cat out of the bag. This means to reveal a secret, often by accident. For instance, John let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Finally, there's when the cat's away, the mice will play. It means people tend to misbehave or relax the rules when the person in charge isn't around. For example, our boss is on vacation this week, so everyone's coming in late. When the cat's away, the mice will play. These expressions are catchy, easy to remember, and add color to your everyday English conversations.